shaitan is going to mount a massive destructive attack on mankind's capacity to think. That is my warning. That there is an intellectual paralysis that is going to come upon mankind. There are some of you who would say to me, Sheikh, it has already come.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, today I reveal a hidden truth: intellectual paralysis. The elite have turned minds into slaves of endless scrolling, dopamine hits and distraction, destroying reflection and remembrance of Allah. Their secrets are exposed. Every notification is engineered to paralyze critical thought and suppress Quranic awakening. Algorithms push division, while millimeter waves prepare brains to become nodes in a coming global network of deception. The Prophet warned us of Dajjal's deception. This technology is a spiritual fire burning the human intellect. The cure is simple and powerful. Put down the screens. Return to the Quran and Sunnah. Reclaim your mind. The elite want you paralyzed. Allah commands you to think and remember Him. Wake up before it is too late. Wake up before Dajjal appears. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.